here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today we're going to do curves. Have you ever wanted to do a drunkard's path or these fun little waves? These clamshells, the drunkard's path along the path here, or these kind of vines but had scared you? I have an easy method that you can so do this. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with a circle that's been appliqued on. If you want to learn how I do this, please watch my Circles Made Easy video. I'll put a link in the description so you know how to do that. It's very easy. When you applique your circle on, if you're going to be doing like the drunkard's bath like I showed, and you want it to parts of the circle up here to line up, what's useful to do is before you applique it on is to measure on both sides to make sure that they're even. That will help ensure that when your curves come together here and you have two different ones, that they line up. If it doesn't line up perfectly, that's totally okay. No one's going to notice, and if they do, they're not your friend, so don't listen to them. It's going to be a beautiful quilt. Okay, so then once our circle has been appliqued on, we are going to cut this in half. Okay, and you'll have two half circles like that. If you take your half circles and stagger them, you could cut another one in half and stick it here. You get this kind of effect, like on my clamshell pattern. Okay, I guess. If you want to go another cut further, so half it again, so you have a quarter of a circle. You can have all kinds of fun. You can do your drunkard's path like this. You can go diagonally and go this way. And do it like the waves in this block that I did for Moda Bake Shop. I'll put a link for that free pattern in the description. Also, if you like my videos, please remember to like and subscribe, and if you share them, that helps other people find what we're doing here and to learn. You can also do like a leaf like in my divine pattern. So there's lots of things you can do. I will put links to the patterns that use this method. If you do something with this, I would love if you would share it with me on Instagram at M's Scrap Bag. I also have a Facebook page you can join and share your things. That's at M's Scrap Bag on Facebook. I'd love to see what you're doing. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.